Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back to the channel today. Question was asked from a viewer for an update on the Hengs fan that's in the bathroom. So let's go into the bathroom and I'll show you the fan. It's still in play. Installed that 3 years ago when I bought this rig. It was one of the first upgrades I did in here. So fan's still in place. It runs when it's plugged here at home. When I've got this on shore power, it is run 24/7. I leave these fans on. This fan here and the one in the bathroom on pretty much all the time just to keep the air circulating. So let's go in the bathroom. I'll show you the fan. It's a little dirty, but it's getting use. Here you go. So this is the Hengs fan. I just cleaned it the other day, but it does get some dust and dirt. Works great. This is the one that has several options here. You have low, medium, high. And then you have medium high outwards. So you can actually, or inwards. So you have medium high to bring air in instead of out. So it's both directions. Nice fan. But yeah, works great. I always keep it on low. And you can hear how loud it is. Medium. And there's high, so quite a bit more, but it's really pulling the air out. Three settings, then off, and then you can also flip it around to go this way. So now it's bringing air in. Depends what you want to do. For a bathroom, usually you want to pull the air out. So there's low. The only thing I would change and I don't like about this fan is to take this off the clean. You twist it, and there's just a little tab that catches this little indent here, and it literally just twists off and you pull it down. But this is held in place by this knob, so you've got to take this knob off just to get the screen off. It'd be nice if this was just over here somewhere, and then literally all you had to do was just move that. But it might be a safety feature. Just one extra step to take that off, but it takes an extra 2 minutes. Screwdriver, pull that Phillips screw out, and then you can remove your screen to clean it. But yeah. The Hengs fan works great. So just a little quick update on the Hengs fan for the bathroom. Works great. So any questions, let me know. We'll see you on the next one.